Hi, this is Chris Keller with musegrid.com, and I'm going to show you the DriveIt template, and we're also going to show you how quickly you can modify this template. So this is a really nice new template dedicated towards car sales and auto repairs. However, you could modify this to be pretty much anything. So the layout is a quite standardized layout with 2-column and 3-column splits. Header and footer items. We have this nice full page background image with a slider sitting on top. We have a nice menu, and let's go and take a look at some of the other pages. We have a new car sales page, and we have some great little widgets in the pages here, and services page with a nice clean fresh layouts. We also have some great layouts for the mobile and tablet version, so let's take a look at those. You can see here a tablet version, and it's a really nice, same layout, but what we've done here is we've added a full page slider to the top of the page and made this more tablet focused, whereas our mobile version, as you can see, is obviously customized to fit nice and neatly and cleanly in a mobile interface. And we have this great mobile menu here that we can go through, and we still have the widgets, but they've been modified to match a mobile layout. So you can see this template really has it all. It has a really nice clean layout and comes with the tablet and mobile phone version dedicated layouts for those versions. Now let's take a look at the Muse file itself. So I'm going to jump into Muse here, and I have two versions open, but you'll see why in a minute. First of all, with our new set of templates, we've got a new layer, well, two new layers. The first layer is our instructions layer. So this layer is going to give you some quick tips on how to use the site, but it's also going to give you all of our support links and give you a starting point there if you need any tech support. And please check out our tutorial section. We have the URLs here. We've put short URLs in here, but if you go to musegrid.com, you'll see our tutorial section there. Please check those out because we have a ton of really great content for you. Not that we don't want you to contact us, just you may very well find your answer there faster, and of course the tutorial section is there 24 hours a day. So we can switch that off, and please remember to switch these layers off before you publish, otherwise they will show up on the page. So we're going to switch that layer off, and we have our new layer using our Style Magician setup, which you may have seen in previous widgets or templates, and this is kind of an evolution of Style Magician to make things really easy for you to update. So let's switch that on, and you'll notice that the elements that you can modify are actually available, whereas all the text and content is locked down in the layer. Very straightforward. We have our color scheming here, so we've got a 5-color color scheme with a base color. We have our menu effects and styles. We have our basic typography layouts, our button styles, and some form elements. Now there are a lot more styles in the paragraph and graphic styles, as you'll probably note, but what we're doing here is we're giving you a quick way of being able to modify the overall look and feel very easily and quickly. If you want to modify more of the styles, then you can do through the paragraph and graphic styles panel, but this gives you a really good starting point, and for a lot of cases this will be all you'll need to modify apart from changing content. So let's go ahead and make some modifications. We're not going to actually modify any of the menus, we're just going to go with the colors. So if you select one of the color chips here, you'll see it highlighted in the swatches panel. So we're going to just click on here, right click, swatch options, and we're going to choose a greenish color here. And then we're going to click OK, and it'll take a second or two to just go through all of the instances of that color in the site and modify them. But once it's updated them all, you'll be able to see the changes in reflected in the layouts here. So we can see this green chip, and we can see where that green was applied in the gradient and so on. Let's go ahead with this second color chip. We can see it highlighted there. We're going to right click there, swatch options. I'm going to choose green again, but we'll go with something slightly lighter. Click OK, and again this is going to run through, find all the instances of that colour and apply that colour. So we can see now that our site has been updated with all those colours, and we can see all the different styles have now got the colour modified and applied to them. So I'm going to switch the Style Magician layer off now, and we can see that our site has been completely updated with the new colour scheme. And if we jump over to the demo here, I've modified this completely and I've uploaded it. So I'm going to jump into the browsers and let's take a look at what's happened now. Remember, we've only changed 2 colors, so let's take a look at how it looks online. So we can see now that the entire template is updated with all of our new color scheme, and we could swap that logo out. I've got Lego on the brain, I think. Logo out, and it would be almost ready for content. And if we take a look at the mobile versions as well, we can see here that our mobile tablet and our mobile version are all modified as well. So that's the new DriveIt template with our new Style Magician panel. So it's very easy for you to update styles, and we hope you enjoy them. We have 2 templates in our library now at this point, LiveFit and DriveIt, that have the new Style Magician layers. We hope you enjoy using them, and thanks for watching.